Welcome back everyone. If you have been following my previous videos, you have already gained a solid understanding of data filtering in SQL theory. Today, we are taking the knowledge one step further. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get hands-on with SQL data filtering. In this practical session, we'll put theory into action as we explore various techniques to filter, refine, and extract valuable insights from our databases. So this is the database that we are working with today. It consists of the 4 columns: employee ID, name, department, and salary. Now, let's look at few questions. The first question is that we want to select unique departments. So in place of star, we'll write distinct department from employees. And if we run it, you will get all the unique departments from the employee table. The second question is select employees in marketing department. Now to find the employees who are working in the marketing department, after employees, write where department is equal to marketing. Now if we run it, you can see that there is this employee named Jane Smith who is working in the marketing department. Now you want to select the employees whose name is John. For selecting the employees whose name is John, after where, write name like John and then %sign. Now if you run it, you'll find the employees whose name is John. Now, if you want to find the employees with salaries greater than 60,000, how can we do it? Similarly, after where, write salary is greater than 60,000. Now run it, and you'll find all the employees whose salary is more than 60,000. Now, if you want to select the employees whose IDs are between 2 and 3, how can we do it? Similarly, after where, write between 2 and 3. Now if you run it, it will give you the details of the employees whose IDs are between 2 and 3. Now, if you want to select the employees whose name starts with J and the salary is less than 70,000, after where, the first condition is that the name should start with J. So, where name like starts with J, %symbol, and the second condition is that salary should be less than 70,000. Salary less than 70,000. Now if you run it, there are 2 employees whose name starts with J and the salary is less than 70,000. Those are John Doe and Jane Smith. Now, if you want to select the employees who are not in HR department, similarly after employees, write where department not in HR. If you run this, it will give you the details of all the employees whose department is not in HR. Now, if you want to select the employees whose names end with TH, how can we do it? After where, write name like %symbol, because it can be anything at the first, and then write TH because it should end with TH. Now if you run it, you can see that Jane Smith is the only employee whose name ends with TH. Now, if you want to select the employees with names having at least 2 A characters, in the condition after like, just write A, %A, and then % again. Now let me explain to you why. The condition is that it should have 2 characters. So the 2 characters can be anywhere. It can be the beginning, it can be the ending, or it can be the middle. So the person before A signifies that there can be something before A or nothing before A. Similarly, the second person implies that there can be anything between the 2 A's or nothing between the 2 A's. And the last person signifies that after the second A, it can be anything or it can be nothing as well. Now if we run it, you can see that James Clark is the only person whose name has 2 A's in it. One is after J and one is after L. Now, if you want to select the employees whose name starts with J or ends with TH, how can we do it? After like, write J and %symbol or name like percent symbol, but should end with th. And now if you run it, it will give you all the employees whose name starts with J or end with th. So that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.